get away from the chairs and then get out of here.
Let's move forward. Take some steps
And then
forward.
how about we all kind of go in a line? And then there's 2 lines. Getting 2 lines. 2 lines.
What,
You just
one
go
in
over
front
there.
of the other?
Yeah. Mike's gonna light you, then you walk away. Then he lights her.
We have 3
she
lighters.
walks away.
You only have to
I
light
have
your
a
own and
lighter,
somebody
and I'm lighting
else's.
these 2, obviously.
We're gonna have
there.
a sync
Light Allison's and walk
we
away.
can
We can all
videos are gonna have the sync Blair Witch shot.
Yeah.
Who's lighting you, Bob?
All right, ready,
He
light.
is.
I got
Okay.
Ready? Light it.
flame here.
All right.
All right, hold on.
Not too late.
Oh God.
Light it.
One's not lighting. Here it goes.
All right, here we go.
Everyone. And
Oh.